Okay, so you hit that join button. Now what? Now what do you have to do? There are three things that you need to be focused on right away. One of them is the first things first checklist. You will get some login information from Sensi to your workstation. Your workstation is your portal. That's your hub. That's where you're going to go to find out news about items releasing. You're going to find trainings. You're going to find orders. That's where you will go to place orders. All of those things. You will see this first things first checklist on the bottom of your home screen. This needs to be one of the very first things that you do. Before you even get on the phone with your sponsor or get in person with your sponsor to get trained, you need to complete this checklist as much as you can. This is going to get you familiar with everything. It's going to tour the workstation for you to get you familiar with how to place orders, how to open orders, all of those things. You're going to watch the new consultant orientation video. The second thing that you're going to want to do is announce your business. Announce it to friends and family. Don't wait for your kit to get here. You can start sharing your business before your kit even arrives. You can create, once you do the tour of the workstation, you'll learn how to create a party link, an online link that people can automatically order from. You want to do that quickly. Don't wait for your kit. Don't wait for your kit. Time is of the essence. You're going to want to schedule your launch party ASAP. ASAP within your first 2 weeks. Why? It's going to set you up for success. That's how you're really going to get your business rolling. That's how people are going to know you are the Scentsy lady. Plus, it's going to get you very close to your very, very first goal, which is shooting star that I will talk about in the next video. You want to do this fairly quickly. Announce your business. Post that party link that people can order from. That way, when they order from that link, it'll accrue host rewards for you that you get to claim when you close out that party that we will talk about during your launch party. When you do your new consultant orientation and tour the workstation, at the very top, you are going to see a bunch of tabs. You're going to want to hit your account tab and scroll down. You're going to see that Scentsy gives you a website for free for your first 3 months. After that, the website's $10 a month. It is worth it, you guys, to have your website. This is where people can order directly online from you. This is where people that party with you that are out of state can order online. You're going to want to customize your website. Upload a photo. Otherwise, you're just going to be a warmer, and you don't want to just be a warmer. Upload a picture of you and your family, or you and your best friend, whatever. Share your story. Everybody has one. Everybody has a story. Share why you joined. You'll never ever know who could relate to you, who will want to buy from you just based off your story, and who may even want to join under you. Share your favorite scents. Share that with your people. This is going to load up to your website. When you go to your personal website, you will see all of this information. So you want to do this very quickly so that way you can create a party order and start sharing it right away. In your kit, you are going to get a new consultant handbook. This is your Scentsy Bible, you guys. This is everything you need to know about the Scentsy life. Read it from cover to cover. Read about the different awards that you can earn. It walks you step through step what to do. The first things first checklist that we talked about. Beginning your Scentsy life. How to really, really start off on the right foot. It talks about different awards that you can earn in your first 15 days and your first 70 days. I'll go over that in the next video. Talks about all the recognition that Scentsy gives to their people. The compensation plan, which we will talk about in the next video, and why you want to strive for that very, very first promotion very quickly so you can get a 5% pay raise. It's going to talk about how you get paid. It's going to talk about your workstation and your PWS, which is your personal website. And it's going to talk about different kits that you can get, different subscriptions that you can opt in or opt out of. You get paid for those too. And it talks about why you want to party. We talked about how important your launch party is, and I will talk about that in the video to come about why you want to do a launch party. Why it is so key and important to start your business off right. And even though it's uncomfortable for many people, why it is probably one of the most important and best things you can do for your business. So read this consultant in its entirety. It's going to help you in the long run. Read it cover to cover. You will also get a product guide in your kit. This is going to talk about every single product we have. You cannot sell or share if you don't know anything about it. So get comfortable with every single product that Scentsy offers you. You want to read this in its entirety too. You want to know how our warmers are made, how our wax is made, how our oils are made. You want to know all of this information. Get comfortable with this before you have your launch party so that way you are prepared to answer any questions that you have. Again, if this does not come in your kit, you can pull this on your workstation using the search bar. So, to recap, the first 3 things you need to do for your business is complete the first things first checklist in its entirety as much as you can. Schedule that home launch party within the first 2 weeks of you joining. Start your business out right. Start it off on the right foot. Schedule it. Invite your friends, your family, those closest to you that are going to be your biggest supporters. Take that stuff to work with you when your kit gets in. Share it with your coworkers. Put it in your break room. Really hit the ground running. And lastly, announce your business. Announce it on social media. Create that party link so people can immediately start ordering from you. Start sharing your journey so that you can earn that very, very first award, which is Shooting Star, that we'll talk about in the very next video. So get to work. Do that first things first checklist and schedule that home party. And I will see you in the next video, video number 3.